It's winter time, and there's something about a soft, luminous glow that feels so fitting for the season. I'm starting with the iconic London Primer, a silky formula that glides on effortlessly, creating a radiant base. It preps my skin beautifully, adding just the right amount of warmth and glow for the timeless, elegant look. The Westman Atelier Contour Stick in shade Biscuit is one of my favorites. I'm using it as a bronzer here, and its creamy, blendable formula adds the perfect touch of light, subtle warmth. It's such an effortless way to enhance the skin while keeping the look soft and natural. Next, I'm using the Chanel Freshwater Tint because it's so light and breathable, perfect for a fresh look this winter. I'm applying it with a brush first for even coverage, then blending with a sponge to ensure a smooth, natural finish that keeps the skin glowing without feeling heavy. I'm using a fluffy brush to apply the Dior Skin Correct Concealer for a soft, even layer, and then going in with a sponge to press it into the skin. The sponge helps to seamlessly blend and buff the product, ensuring a smooth, flawless finish that still feels light and natural. We're almost there, just hang in there with me. To set everything in place, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Loose Powder. It's lightweight, yet offers a flawless matte finish, perfect for locking in the concealer without adding any heaviness. This keeps everything fresh and breathable while ensuring that my makeup stays put throughout the day. Next, I'm using the YSL Liquid Blush in shade 44, a gorgeous nude pink. It gives a soft, natural flush to the cheeks, blending effortlessly for a fresh, glowing look. The formula is buildable, so I can keep it subtle or add more for a deeper flush. Perfect for a wintry, nude pink glow. After applying the blush, I'm adding a little more concealer under my eyes. This helps to clean up any color that may have settled and brightens the area even more, ensuring the under eye area stays fresh and awake. Now, I'm layering a bit more blush with my favorite Dior Glow Maximizer in shade Rosy, which not only enhances the glow on my cheeks, but also adds a soft, rosy radiance to my eyelids. The shimmer brings a beautiful dewy look to both areas, giving the entire look a fresh, glowing harmony. To set everything in place, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filters Setting Powder, under my eyes and on my forehead, where I tend to get the most shine. This powder is lightweight and smooth, helping to keep everything matte without losing the natural fresh glow. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Matte Revolution lipstick in Pillow Talk. I'm skipping the liner to keep the look soft and effortless. This nude pink shade adds just the right amount of color, perfectly complementing the glowing, subtle vibe of the entire makeup. To add a touch of extra glow, I'm applying a bit of Dior Glow Maximizer on top of my lips. Just a small amount, blended in with my finger, gives them a soft, dewy shine that enhances the natural fullness, tying the whole look together with a fresh, radiant finish. Finally, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter Setting Spray to lock everything in and add an extra touch of radiance. After coloring my lashes, I'm applying the Lancome Idole Eye Mascara. It adds length and volume without clumping, giving my lashes a natural, fanned-out look that enhances the glowy, subtle vibe of this makeup. Look at that, look at those lashes. They look so natural, yet, oh wow. I'm applying highlighter from the Dior Backstage palette to the inner corners of my eyes and the tip of my nose. It brightens and adds subtle glow, enhancing the fresh, lifted look. Look at that glow. This look takes you back to the classic elegance of Audrey Hepburn with a modern twist. It's fresh, radiant, and effortlessly chic, like a winter day with a touch of timeless charm.